is up, y'all? Welcome to the channel, Big Bear the Bear in the house, as I bring you guys a great unboxing of this great collector's edition right here from G-Fuel, real raw and uncut, branded under the Persona 3 Reload game that just released on PlayStation 5 and also Xbox Series X. The CADENZA real raw and uncut, theme of the Persona 3 as well, Reload. It was already branded under Wolfberry, under the creation and the collaboration with Sniper Wolf, a creator on YouTube. Y'all, it is rebranded, real raw and uncut. And like I said, y'all, I had to grab it because, like I said, this collector's box looks really nice, as you guys can see right here, real raw and uncut. Energy, focus, endurance, and reaction is what it brings you when you drink this G-Fuel. Like I said, y'all, it comes with a great Persona 3 wrapped around artwork right there of this cool shaker cup. Look at that. Look at that right there. This is very neat. And I gotta tell you guys, this collector's edition right here sold out really quick, and I'm pretty sure a lot of gamers are still looking for this on G-Fuel. Y'all, I am going to be also sipping my favorite G-Fuel up in here called the Raging Gummy Fish. You got to go get you some of that real raw and uncut. We have a Persona 3 right there, Reload sticker right there. Looks really cool. You can splat that on your PS5 or Xbox as well. Then we have the flavor right here, the G-Fuel real raw and uncut, the citrus strawberry cadenza, as I show you guys close up right there. Look at that cadenza. Oh my gosh, real raw and uncut. Okay, we're gonna open it up like that, show you guys what's in here. Let's open it and smell it. See, I can't drop this stuff because this stuff will get everywhere. Real raw and uncut. White right there, powdered right here, flavor right there of the cadenza right there, real raw and uncut. Get a little taste of it right here in this great shaker cup. So let's take it out right there and get our Persona powered up, real raw and uncut. And like I said, it comes with a bigger extra scooper, as you guys already know. So we're gonna add that in there like that. Get it in there real nice and neat. Make sure we got it snapped down real nice. And you see this little handle right there? Man, that's looking nice. Y'all see that right there? Oh my gosh, it's looking pretty cool. In there. Oh yeah, y'all. So let's see. Oh, you see that right there? It turns my favorite sky blue color, baby blue. I like that right there. Real raw and uncut. A little bit of, saying, yeah, it is baby blue. So we're gonna try it real raw and uncut. It actually tastes good. It's got that, saying tiny bit of citrus, and I can taste the infusion of the strawberry up in here with a little bit of tartness flavor, like a little lemon, sprinkled into it. Oh man, like I said, this is refreshing. Oh my gosh, this is good. Like I said, y'all, you see this box again right there, this collector box right there, real raw and uncut Persona Reload. And like I said, again, make sure you guys also go pick up the game, real raw and uncut. I will be live streaming it on my YouTube channel, also the Twitch channel, mostly over the Twitch channel. So come on over there, real raw and uncut. Links posted down in the video description. And like I said, y'all, support your boy by sharing these videos, getting these likes up, especially these numbers up, because it keeps me motivated to keep, with me bringing content with you guys. Love you guys out there. And like I said, y'all, go get your Persona on. Oh yeah.